this one's in here like so.
Wait. Alright.
So I took that off. That was in here. I slid this out. And then this is the top link. So you can see where the top link is rusting.
Oh, rusting, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. Like here?
Yeah.
Oh no,
Well,
that's
I
where
cut
you
that,
saw.
yeah. So I'm sawing that off, going to the next link. Actually, I'm going to skip 2 links.
Yeah, this one is kind of.
Yep, I'm going to skip 2 links. Actually, the more I look at it, I'm going to skip 2. Because that was rusted too. You see that was rusted? See how that's rusted there?
Yeah.
So I'm going to cut this link off.
You just saw it off and then attach it. Always something to do.
Keep the boat up.
You do that well. I know we do.
Your boat's better than no boat.
Yeah. We got all kinds of turtles here.
Not the best place to be sawing.
No, do you want me to do anything? Do you have a board down below? I could get a board. Or the plank. Give that link, you can show it to students.
And that's up over. That's over about 5-6 years.
6 years?
Over the winter seasons.
Yeah.
Now, okay, piece.
Piece we don't want to lose.
It's in there. to the second one in case the first one fails. My rights, I should have this new stuff on. This is stainless steel, though. It's pretty good stuff.
Oh, it looks in good shape.
This is called a it's a Mantis anchor swivel.
A Mantis anchor swivel. And then we have the anchor. That's a Rockna.
That's a rock nut.
Rockna. I was right. Oh wow.
I class that as one of the best anchors in the world. I believe it was originally from New Zealand design. Mantis has tried to duplicate it. I have not experience rated that anchor, so I can't comment on it.
So this one is good for sand and moss, sea moss, right? Grass.
It's the biggest it's like a spade to dig in.
Right.
Not as good as strictly rock. But
I like it though when it comes up. Well, I guess because of the turnbuckle, it can be in different shape and it will come back up easy.
this side. Go. Twist this too much, it'll break it off.
Yep. It's like when you make jewelry.
Yep.
I like how he has hooked it on it for the anchor locker. Never take shortcuts, always have this on. Because the wind could take it and he's in here, or you have your head in there reaching in for something.
$700-800
And this comes.
Not to mention the possibility.
The which? Oh, the boat, yes, the thing, yeah.
It floats away. We're on a burn boat right now, which allows us to
Yep, right there.
work on this.
Yeah.
There's nothing to get stiff, we gotta loosen it again.
Yeah. So you have your anchor hooked on there because you had it off the swivel. There you go. Alright. Watch your back.